going to show you how I've organized my medicine cupboard. Do you want to see how I've organized my medicine cupboard? Come along. So this is a medication cupboard where we have stored all our family's medicines, vitamins and other medical related things. Okay, so because I want to utilize the depth of the cupboard, I've used these stackable drawers. See, they're stackable on top of each other, and these are like two divided drawers. You can get this in one particular big divider, which I've used under my sink, but I thought for medicine to relate and divide two things in a given drawer, these dividable drawers are better. So that's what I've got. So here I've labeled everything in a chalk pen. So if I don't want, I can erase and then rename it. So this has all my Panadol, Nurofen and cold and flu, and here we've got cough lollies, hydrolytes, that, and here hay fever, allergy related, hay fever nasal sprays, that, and then we've got pain relief, other medications like Degas, Gaviscon for gastritis or anything. So moving on to the other side, we've got masks. Of course, we need one dedicated drawer for masks nowadays. Got the reusable and the disposable, all sorts of masks, and here we've got the TheraBands and the other bandages if you need. Here we've got first aid, band-aids, betadine, small first aid for small dressings, all of that, and then I've got my essential oil sitting here, and all the other lab containers that's given by the doctor for any tests to be done. So they're all sitting here. So moving on, I've used a shelf riser here to maximize my vertical space, which means I've got more space. I've doubled the space. So the bottom one are the ointments, like Flexal gel, any other ointments like balms, and the top one, this is the Veriara tub from IKEA, and here I've stored all the kids medications. So if I take it down, all the Panadol, Brightwater, Nurofen, Zyrtec, and even the temperature gauge, and in this little divider I've stored the droppers just in case, a small scissor here, all of that. So the kids medication is totally separated from my other areas. It's all in this container, and at the back, this is where I had all the vitamins, like the stock of the vitamins. They're all stored here, and this is the cough syrup, which we don't use often unless we get a cough. So that's how I've used the medication cupboard, and this is where how we store our scripts. So since there's only 3 people in our family, I've got 3 folders like that. And I've named each of our folders. I put a letter for me, my husband and my son. So we put this, and then we put all the scripts for any tests or any repeated medication, so they don't get lost or they don't get missed amongst the other documents. And I just store it at the back, just like that. So there you go. That's how I've organized my medication cupboard. This is how I initially set up, and so far it's been functioning well, no messes, because everyone's labeled, everyone knows what to get, where to get, and to put it back, because it's all labeled. So it's neat and tidy since the day that we've implemented the system. So that's it. That's about the medication cupboard. So that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this, hit the like button. Any questions, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos. And until next time, see ya!